Hi, I'm Dani. If you love Harry Potter and you're in Tokyo, you need to spend 2 full days immersing yourself into the wizarding world of magic. From the studio tour to hidden time turners, there's so much to do. I did this all solo in my 40s, and here's how it went. Day 1 kicks off at the Warner Brothers studio tour in Tokyo, the making of Harry Potter. This experience was absolutely Inside the tour, you'll see movable staircases, the potion classroom, night bus, film sets, and more. They offer free Wi-Fi and charging stations throughout. Make sure to download your QR code ahead of time. There are interactive exhibits and videos you can unlock using them. Most of them are free, except the broomstick ride near the end. I got in very early with the first group, and it took about 1.5 to 2 hours to the back lot, which is about the midway point. But after 12:30 p.m., it got insanely crowded, so make sure you get there early. There was already a line when I arrived at 7:30. The gates open at 8 a.m., and the doors open at 8:30. Of course, we can't forget the food. There's food right at the entrance, so if you get there early, you can have a snack before you go in. Also in the back lot, you have to get the Butterbeer, and I opted for Professor Umbridge's high tea, which was pricey, but totally worth it. There are so many photo ops throughout the tour. Get ready to strike a pose and learn all about how these movies were made. Also, I've done the London studio tour as well, but Tokyo felt so much better in so many ways. It's a lot more interactive and a lot larger than the London tour. You can easily spend about 5 hours here, so make sure you plan enough time in your day. Day 2 starts in Akasaka. There's a Harry Potter-themed train station, decorated with Hogwarts-style themed elements, a giant time-turner photo op, and themed banners and portraits along the staircase. Once outside the station, make sure to look around the area, and you might catch flying car paintings and other magical touches. Nearby is the Harry Potter Café. Note this is reservation only. I did try a drink and a dessert. Neither were great, but it was cool to experience. If you don't get a reservation, you can try the takeout window nearby. After you go to the cafe, make sure you head to Harajuku for the new Flagship store, which opened in August 2025. Check out more tips below and see how you can spend 2 full days enjoying Harry Potter around Tokyo.